Hey guys, if you haven't heard, it's barbecue month. And in honor of that, several members of our sales and marketing team are going to do a taste test on various barbecue sauces from our friends. But first, we're going to go ahead and introduce ourselves. My name is Julie Martin. I am one of the Martin family members. And as far as barbecue, I tend to like it kind of sweet. I'm okay with some spiciness, maybe a little smokiness. But I'm excited to see which of these sauces really go home with me later.
Hey guys, I'm Katie, and I'm the Senior Campaign Manager here at Martin's. In terms of barbecue sauce, I'm a sweet tooth, so I typically love any type of honey barbecue sauce.
Hi, I'm Todd, and I'm the Director of Sales here at Martin's, and I prefer pretty much all barbecue sauces. However, if I had a favorite, it would probably be somewhat spicy.
I'm Stephanie, and I'm a marketing coordinator, and I in general love spicy food, so I'm really excited to try some of the spicy foods, some of the spicy sauces on the list today to see which ones I like the best.
Hi, I'm Wendy. I am the marketing manager here at Martin's, and I love all kinds of sauces, so I am excited that we get to try all kinds of sauces this morning, and typically I like tangy or more spicy sauces, so I'm looking forward to trying some new ones.
Up first, we have Barbecue Beast, a local sauce maker based out of Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, just a few miles from our headquarters. Barbecue Beast is female and veteran owned, and they currently manufacture 6 different sauces. Today, we're going to be trying their curry sauce and on the bay sauce. Let's start with the curry sauce. If everybody wants to take a sample, tell us what you think. Oh, that's sweeter than I expected.
That's very good.
It is good.
It's tangy.
It's got a bold flavor.
I was expecting more spice, but
Me too.
I actually like this.
And I don't sense a real strong sense of curry. No,
Oh,
it's very good.
I don't love curry.
That was the aroma. Like when I first, I was
yeah.
like, oh, this is gonna really taste like curry,
it's very
which
balanced.
I like. But
Balance
it's a
is a
nice
good word.
balance between the curry and the sweet
Agree.
barbecue.
Let's try the on the bay sauce next. Can definitely taste the Old
Wow.
Bay.
Old Bay is very upfront.
Oh yeah,
That's good.
that'd be great on a Chesapeake burger.
Oh yeah.
It's got a really nice kick.
Yeah.
Like the kind of almost like a spicy aftertaste.
Right.
I love Old Bay, and I love it on. I like Old Bay chicken wings.
Oh yeah,
This would be good on that.
that would actually be good on
That
a
would be
crab
good.
cake too.
Yes.
Anybody from
Yeah.
Maryland, for sure, check
Yeah.
this out. This is very good.
Waynesboro is not far from Maryland, so definitely recommend taking a visit and getting some sauce.
Very good.
Yeah, very good.
Since 2008, Burger Beast has celebrated anything and everything about comfort food in South Florida. He writes books, he does events, he is a restaurant owner, he is the Burger Club director, and did you know he is also the only person that I know who has a Guinness World Book record. And of course, he makes sauces. So today we are going to try his Guava Sriracha Ketchup sauce. Let's try it. Wow, nice mixture.
Also tangy.
This is very tangy.
Yeah.
Definitely could see this on a burger. And maybe on some beef barbecue.
Sriracha should not scare away people who don't like spicy. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's
I
not-
have
It's a
to
nice-
admit I was scared of the sriracha.
it's not bad.
Yeah,
Because
it's
I
a
like it
nice
somewhat spicy, not really spicy.
Right, the guava sort of mellows it out a
It
little
was
bit.
good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very
Another
good.
good balance.
Yeah, he also makes a mustard sauce, and that's also very good too.
I can see why it's called ketchup, though, versus just like a barbecue sauce, because it has sort of that feel when you taste it. It sort of
Thicker.
feels like a
Yeah.
ketchup. Yeah, a little thicker.
More acidic, like ketchup.
Yeah, but not like ketchup, but it has sort of that. It would remind you of that a little bit.
Like more of a tomato
good.
sauce.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I could see dipping fries in there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that would be really good.
Yeah. It's good.
Thanks, Burger Beast.
Opening their first brick and mortar in 1988 in Syracuse, New York, Dinosaur Barbecue has now expanded to 6 full-service restaurant locations that use Martin's potato rolls. Their food and sauces have won honors in publications such as Men's Health and Eating Well. And today we're going to try their 2 new sauces, Hot Honey Gold and Red Chili Sour Cherry. So we're gonna start with our hot honey gold. So if everybody wants to sample that one. When I first saw this name, I definitely thought of chicken wings. I don't know if anybody else thought of that, but I definitely think this would be good on chicken.
I love honey mustard, and it gives me honey mustard vibes, but like more interesting and unique.
Got a little more kick than regular honey mustard.
Tangier.
Yeah.
I definitely would like it on chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pulled chicken would be good.
Yeah.
It has a really nice tang.
Yeah.
I love the mustardy flavor, for
Yeah.
sure.
Mustard fans, you gotta try that one out.
Yep.
I'd love to dip my chicken nuggets in that.
Again, would be good with fries too.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's move on to red chili sour cherry, their second one. Oh,
Wow, that has a good kick.
yeah. I've
There's
got,
your
there's a little spice.
There's
Spice.
that tangy spice, yeah.
Stephanie's happy about that.
So I guess it's the chili kind of coming through for most everybody. Yeah.
I like the sour cherry adds a sourness to the spiciness though, which is really nice.
Yeah.
It's more complex.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's more complex than just some heat. There's some sour complexity there, which is really nice.
I could definitely see this on pulled pork,
Absolutely.
brisket, for sure. This would be delicious.
Very good.
Very good. Daddy Bob's Barbecue is a restaurant and food truck in North Carolina. And just like Martin's, they're a family business. They come from a line of family members who enjoy the same thing. In their case, barbecue sauce. And we really like them because they actually really love Martin's potato rolls. This family business manufactures and sells two different sauces. They have an Eastern vinegar-based sauce and a Western tomato-based sauce. Today, we're going to sample their Eastern vinegar sauce. So everybody, you want to pick up their
Can't wait.
Eastern vinegar sauce. Definitely smell the vinegar.
Oh, that's good.
Oh wow.
Spicy.
It is really spicy.
Got a kick.
That's good.
Have any of you ever had anything that tastes quite like that? It's really different.
I was expecting just more of a vinegar punch, not quite the spice.
Yeah,
Right.
North
Yeah.
Carolina barbecue is usually more vinegar based. It's excellent.
Yeah. This would be great on pulled pork.
I was thinking to wipe it on like a skewer and then put it on the grill with like potatoes and chicken and all that. That would be really good.
Yeah.
Veggies.
Yeah. To get that taste on everything, that would be great.
Yeah, it's very different. I normally prefer sweet, but this definitely has a lot of opportunities. You know, you can see it really adding a lot of flavor to, like you said, like a skewer, to various meats or even veggies that you're kind of like marinating.
Right.
It'd be delicious.
I wonder what it'd be like in pepper slaw.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that would be good.
What started as a barbecue trailer in Austin, Texas in 2009 has turned into James Beard award-winning Franklin Barbecue and Franklin Barbecue Sauce. They manufacture and sell 3 different sauces: Vinegar Barbecue, Original Texas Barbecue, and Spicy Barbecue, the last 2 of which we're going to be trying today. If you guys want to pick up your original barbecue, we will try that first.
Well, this is sweeter than others have
Really good.
tasted. Yeah.
When I think of like a tried and true barbecue sauce, this is what I think of.
Yes.
Yeah.
No frills, just really, really good sauce.
Yeah.
I think Texas is pretty well known for their barbecue. that would,
Yeah.
Definitely
that is
bringing.
very good taste.
Yes.
Very good.
Absolutely.
I like that there's not like an overwhelming flavor of something.
Yeah.
It's sort of a really nice cohesive barbecue sauce.
That would be
which
good on
is really
anything.
nice, yeah.
Brisket sandwiches. Absolutely.
Texas brisket. All right, we'll try the spicy one next.
Nervous.
Nervous.
She's nervous about the spice.
Oh,
It's a bit of a kick to it.
it
Yeah.
does.
Slow burn.
It's a later
Yeah,
kick.
slow
It's a delay.
So at first I was like, spicy? That's not spicy.
Right.
As it gets warmer, a little warmer.
That's really, really good.
Good
That's
though.
really good.
I would put this all over my sandwich. It might be a little too spicy for some people, but I would put this all over.
I would somewhat put it on my sandwich. But it is very good.
Delicious.
I think I'd alternate bites. This and then something a little cooler and then enjoy the heat again.
Absolutely.
Otherwise I would be breathing
You could
flames.
probably put both on
I was gonna say they'd be good together.
Yeah,
Yeah,
mix
that's
it up might cut into this. People that don't want it too spicy.
Right.
Yeah. My son loves spicy stuff, and he would be all over this. Like, he would be living on this stuff. Very good.
I'm picturing a brisket sandwich on a big Marty roll with this stuff on top and a little bit of coleslaw. That's gonna be awesome.
Making
Some
me
slaw to
hungry.
offset.
Yeah,
That
all
would be
offset a little
delicious.
bit. I think that would be awesome.
Yeah.
Very well done, Franklin Barbecue.
Hailing from Austin, Texas, we have Leroy and Lewis. Started in 2017, this barbecue truck is all about serving up delicious, locally sourced, new school barbecue. Today, we're going to be trying their signature Beet barbecue sauce. So I don't know if any of you have ever tried a Beet barbecue sauce. I haven't, but I'm kind of excited to try it. So let's try it.
A lot of these places are getting creative with their sweet element of what, like one's a fruit, some of them are beets, some of them are guava. Everybody picks a different sweet element.
This one definitely hits you with sweet first, and then it's got a little bit of a back kick, kind of like the last one we just had.
It's more peppery than like a sriracha. Like
I
some other
know.
ones.
I like the
It has
texture
some.
of it.
It
Yeah.
has some texture. to
Yeah.
it,
It's almost
I
like
would
it's
say.
got like peppercorn pieces in it or something.
Yum. That's really
It's
good.
very tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what to think beef barbecue sauce is going to be, but this is really good.
Oh,
It
yeah.
does have a kick.
It definitely has
It
Good.
definitely has a kick.
Yeah.
But I don't necessarily, I wouldn't say, oh, this is beet.
No.
I love red beets, so I like beets, but you know what I mean? But I wouldn't necessarily say, oh, I taste beet.
Definitely beet.
Instead, I just taste a really nice barbecue sauce with some texture that's a little different from the others,
Yeah.
and some nice kick.
Very good.
Very good.
Obviously, this would be good on meat, but I also think fries would be tasty.
Yeah. Leroy and Lewis, nice job.
Yeah. Very good.
Our next sauce is handmade by Grandma Patsy in the hometown of Martin's Potato Rolls, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. Let's see if Pappy J's Barbecue lives up to its sweet with a little sass tagline. So, everybody wants to take a sample.
Ooh,
I taste the sass.
So that's accurate.
sweet with a
It's
little
definitely-
sassy.
How
Maybe
do you
the
define
sweetest one.
sass? Just curious. As far as I think.
Tangy?
You know it when you taste
Tangy.
it.
Yeah.
You know it when you taste it.
I think
Yeah,
this
little
might be
tangy.
the sweetest one that we've had.
That is sweet.
Which I like.
love the sweet.
Yeah.
Now that would be good with fries. That would be like
Would.
fries and different sauces, but that is good.
It's a little thicker too
It has
than
a
some of the
thicker
ones.
texture.
Yeah.
Consistency.
But smooth, not,
Right.
chunky or anything like
Yeah,
that.
very
It's a really
smooth.
nice smooth.
Yeah, it would cling
Sweet.
to your foods very well.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
would be good on chicken breasts. Yeah.
I would buy this. I'm proud of Chambersburg for representing barbecue well. This is
Absolutely.
delicious.
Amen. We have some sauces from our friends at Pig Beach. Pig Beach is taking barbecue culture to the next level. They use techniques and ingredients from around the world, including Martin's Potato Rolls. They have even won burger competitions using our rolls. Frequently, we'll see Matt Abdu, chef from Pig Beach, on the Today Show. Today, we're going to try 2 of the sauces, although they have 4 of them. They have Oceanfront Hot Barbecue Sauce, Tangy Vinegar Mild Barbecue Sauce, Rob's Righteous Red Barbecue Sauce, and the World Champion Mustard Barbecue Sauce. We're trying the last 2. Okay guys, well let's start with the Righteous Red Barbecue Sauce. It's Rob's Righteous Red Barbecue Sauce. And let's see how righteous it is.
And it looks red.
That's good.
That is a real good sauce.
I get a brown sugary flavor.
Oh, that's it. The
Yeah.
brown sugar.
Really good though. Nice
Yeah.
and sweet.
It has a little bit of tanginess to it.
There's a flavor I can't quite put my finger on that's different from the other sauces. Makes it really
Yeah.
unique.
Yeah. Almost
not-
like a little heat. Like
Like a hint. Like
Yeah.
it's there and you kind of,
Yeah, some kind of spice. I'm not sure what that is, but it's really good.
yeah, very good.
What would you guys eat it on?
everything.
Everything.
What wouldn't I eat?
What
What
would
would
I
I
eat?
eat
Is a
it
better
on?
question.
It is really good.
Barbecue beef brisket I think would be really good on that, or even on a burger, like to do like a barbecue
Like a
twist on a
burger,
burger, right?
Yeah, like a Texas barbecue.
Yeah,
burger.
yeah.
Cowboy burger.
That
Yeah.
would be delicious.
Pig Beach knows how to make a burger.
Pig Beach
That's-
definitely knows how to
That's
make a burger.
true. One of my
Yes.
favorites for sure.
Okay, now we're going to try the world champion mustard barbecue sauce. So apparently this is award winning. So let's see why.
Again, I get a honey mustard vibe.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth though.
It's very smooth.
You know
Like
what's
that.
interesting is at the Burger Bashes where we've tasted Matt's competition, his entries, they're so delicious. I wouldn't necessarily be like, oh, this is what he puts on it, but I know it is. And so this, I already know, is a really nice complement with some other flavors on a burger that makes it award winning. I mean, it's really delicious and
It is
different.
delicious, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So smoked barbecue would taste so good with that.
I was thinking chicken.
I was gonna say I would dunk chicken strips in this.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Grilled chicken.
for sure.
Very
Award
good.
winning. You did it again, Pig Beach.
Yeah.
Next, we have Valentina's Tex-Mex Barbecue from Texas. Owner Miguel Vidal gives credit of this business to his tightly knit family, who pride themselves on cooking great food for every occasion. And that's a mission that Martins can certainly relate to and agree with, right, Julie?
That's right.
Now we're going to try their signature Tex-Mex barbecue sauce. If everybody wants to pick up their cup, give it a try. Another punchy one.
Yeah, this one hits you right up front.
It does.
Oh, I like that.
I do.
Yeah.
It's very tangy, a little sour,
And again, it has a little bit of that texture.
Yes.
Of those.
a little peppery.
Yeah.
Peppery.
You know what's interesting is I've never tasted his sauce plain by itself, but I've been to the location, and it's one of my favorite places to eat in Texas. And so it's interesting to sample the sauce by itself, because it doesn't actually taste like what I would have thought it tasted like. Because I know when you mix it with the meat, it's like phenomenal. But it's really unique.
It's kind of a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
And I can see why it goes really well with the smoky flavors from that.
Yeah.
It was the first barbecue restaurant I visited in Austin, and it is fantastic.
Yeah.
I remember it was, I think, 105 degrees outside. We ate outside. Thank goodness under a tent, but the barbecue was fantastic.
Yeah. One of my favorite places.
And there you have it. Thanks to all of our friends who sent sauces so we could taste them today. Do you like barbecue sauce as well? Well, let's have your own taste test. Gather up your family and friends, get it on video, and post it on social media. Don't forget to tag us at Potato Rolls. Happy saucing!